Start off by washing your leaf. Remove edges or spikes from the sides. The opening will enable the latex poisonous yellowish substance to flow out from the leaf. Cut your leaf into smaller pieces and leave them standing in water for 30 minutes or more to clear it of the latex. Extract the gel in this manner, or by scooping it out with a spoon. Cut it further into smaller pieces for easy and quick blending. This is my residue after straining and separating the gel. So this is what we can use for our facial mask. Add tea tree essential oil. Add vitamin E. Mix everything well together. If you have an old mask sheet you washed and stored, put it into good use. Apply and let your skin absorb all the juicy nutrients. Thanks for watching.
So after that, you want to stir your mixture, mix it very well. So I decided to use my old mask sheet, which I actually washed and just, stored somewhere because I knew it was gonna be handy someday. And yeah, this is the day. This is actually gonna help me not to be messy. Yeah, so go ahead and apply your aloe vera mask. Thanks for watching.